Are you also a content creator? You are doing everything you can do to create best content, but still you are not getting that engagement that you want to. But the thing that you don't know is that you are creating a whole lot of mistakes. And what are these? Today we are going to explain in this video. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Duben and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you the top 8 content mistakes that you are doing as a content creator. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first mistake that you're doing is creating content without specifying your niche. This is the first mistake that you're doing. You are not you have not classified yourself that what you are going to explain to people, what you're going to explain, what you're going to create with the content. For example, if I am a social media manager, if I am a digital marketer, I will create the contents related to digital marketing. But you are just putting random stuffs over on your Facebook and your Instagram and all other social media platforms. And this is what doing people are confused. People are getting confused that what this people actually is, what he's trying to teach me, educate me, because your content seems to be confusing. So what you have to do is you have to pick a category, that is the niche, and you have to put in efforts in this. If you are going to start like as a digital marketer, you have to put contents related to digital marketing. And this is how people will get to know that, okay, whenever they will listen to digital marketing, they will remember you. So a niche can do a whole lot of things to your business, but you have to specify at first. So this is the first mistake that you're doing. Now the second mistake, you are not having any email list. A lot of people ignore this fact, but having an email list is very important to have in your business. An email list can give you a whole lot of engagement, a whole lot of conversions as well. So suppose if you have 2k followers, as I have also explained in the previous video of mine, like how did I help my client in the email marketing. If you will go back to the video, you will understand the importance of having an email. It can generate you money even if you're sleeping. So what you can do with the email list is, whenever you're putting some new blog posts, new YouTube, whatever you're doing contents in the respect of contents, you can just put them on email notifications to their emails. And this is how they will get to know that, okay, this girl or this boy has released this piece of content today or day before yesterday or something like that. So this is how you can get more people to see your content. So this is the second mistake that you are doing, that you are not having any email list for your business. The third mistake you are doing as a content creator is having no consistency. People want to see you on a daily basis, not on a daily basis. If you can say that, I can say that in a periodic basis. So it's very important to have your content created on the platforms on a consistent manner. And this is how you are lacking it. You are doing this a huge mistake, because when you don't put content in a consistent manner, people lose interest in you. And after a month or 2 or 3 months you are putting content, they are not having that vibe that they were earlier with you. And that's why you are losing your audience, you are losing money, you can say your future customers, I can say. So this is the third mistake that you are doing as a content creator. The fourth mistake I see a lot of people are doing is crying over lost followers. I know some people also that whenever they just get unfollowed from some people or their potential customers or whatever they have, they just go like, shit, I'm not doing anything good, or maybe I'm not putting good content. It's not like that. It's not your fault, first of all. If you are consistent, if you are putting valuable contents, everything you can do, if you're doing that and still if you're losing followers, it's not your mistake. It's just that those followers are not your real followers. They were never intent to be engaged. They were just there for the, you can say, time pass or something. So you don't need to be worried about lost followers. The people who are really interested in you, the people who are really interested in what you do, your services, you as a person, the work you do, they will never lose you, because they like to gain the knowledge from you. And if you're losing them, that's fine. There are millions of people in this world who will like you, who will like your content, who will like the thing that you're doing on the internet. So this is the biggest mistake I have seen people doing. The next mistake that I can see people are doing, poor collab pitches. Yes, it's right. You cannot just go to some other people on the internet and say, hey, let's collab. No, it's not going to work this way, and people will not even think about you that what this person is going to say. So how you can do it? You have to put the pitch in a human way if you want to collaborate with the people who are into you the same niche. For example, if you have a health niche and you want to collaborate with the people in the same niche, you don't just go to the DMs and say that, hey, let's collaborate. No, you have to pitch like, hey, I'm from XYZ company and I'm gonna launch some products, and I do own a YouTube channel and a blog, and I want to support each other. I want to promote your services, I want to promote your products, and if you are ready for a call, let's catch up on a coffee chat in the next coming week. So this is how you approach people, and this is how it makes sense that this person is a genuine, and he or she wants to collaborate with me on a humanly way, not just being salesy and just saying let's collaborate with each other. This is not how it is going to work. So the next biggest mistake that content creators do is no engagement with their audience. If a customer or if a follower of yours is commenting over your social media post or videos or blogs, it's your foremost duty to appreciate them, to engage with them, to ask questions, to solve their queries, to answer their questions. So if you are not engaging with them, for example, if I'm your potential follower, potential customer, and if I'm engaging, if I want to talk with you, and if I'm commenting over a post, you should reply me. And if you're not replying me, and if I feel like unwanted, I will not engage again. So this is the biggest mistake that the content creators are doing, that they are not engaging with their potential customers. So this is the next mistake and the huge mistake that you're doing, and I have seen a lot of people doing that. So the next mistake that a lot of content creators do is putting videos on irrelevant platforms, promoting platforms, I can say. You have to promote your video contents on only those platforms that is really based for what you do. You just cannot go to any other platform like irrelevant things and just post your content over there, because people are not gonna interest you, people are not gonna see it, not gonna like it, not gonna engage with it. And the last and the eighth mistake that a lot of content creators do, like I know a lot of people like this, is giving up too early. A business is not meant to be established overnight. So if you want people to like your content, it is not going to post just one or two or three videos. I'm also a new YouTuber. I was not consistent, and I'm just getting started after being consistent, and I cannot expect people to get like a millions of views, a millions of likes, subscribes to my channel. It makes no sense. To get that, or to get at that point, to get that level, I have to be consistent. I cannot give up too early. It's too early if you're giving up. Every other business, everything that you do, even in your job, your studies, your business, no matter what you do, you have to just keep trying and trying. This is all you can do. So do not give up early. There are a lot of scope over there that you can achieve. So these were the 8 top mistakes that the content creators do, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm putting a lot of stuffs, a lot of valuable stuffs in the future as well. If you want to take a look, So I want you to get updated by subscribing it, and please follow, please let other people in your network to see this and support it. If you are also, if you have your channel, a YouTube channel, you can just drop the link. I will get back to you, I will see that, I will subscribe to you. Let's support each other. And thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to you soon with the new brand new video. So let's collaborate in the future.